Hello, my name is Noah, and today I will present to you the uses of the element hydrogen and why it is a good investment. Hydrogen is the first element on the periodic table as seen here. Hydrogen's symbol is a capital H. Its atomic number is 1, and its average mass is 1.00794 AMU. Hydrogen, in its most abundant isotope, protium, has 1 proton and 0 neutrons. Hydrogen has three main uses. It can be used as a lifting agent, fuel, or for chemical processes. Let's talk about how it can be used as a lifting agent. Air is made up of 78% nitrogen and 21% oxygen. The average atomic mass of nitrogen is approximately 14 AMU, and the average atomic mass of oxygen is approximately 16 AMU. Because hydrogen's atomic mass is 1.00794, it is lighter than air, and when a balloon is filled with hydrogen, it floats upwards. Weather balloons use hydrogen to reach a high altitude, where they can record the atmospheric pressure, temperature, humidity, and wind data. Hydrogen can also be used in zeppelins or dirigibles. The concept is the same as weather balloons. Hydrogen gas allows the zeppelin to fly. These zeppelins could travel long distances and would transport supplies and even people. However, hydrogen is a highly flammable gas, making zeppelins sometimes dangerous. A large zeppelin, the Hindenburg, caught fire in the sky and burned because of an electrical spark ignited the hydrogen inside the balloon. Nowadays, helium is used more in balloons. Hydrogen can also be used as fuel. Hydrogen and oxygen creates plenty of energy when combusting. Fuel from hydrogen is environmentally friendly because the only water vapor is created by the hydrogen fuel cells. Pure liquid hydrogen along with pure liquid oxygen is used as rocket fuel. Because hydrogen is a very clean fuel, there is effort to make automobile engines that use hydrogen. This would help global warming and carbon emissions because hydrogen is so clean. The problem is that creating pure hydrogen for these engines is very expensive. Hydrogen, being a flammable gas, is also used in welding metals. Welding torches combine hydrogen and other gases with flame to create a larger flame in order to weld. Hydrogen is used as fuel in the welding torches. There are different chemical processes which use hydrogen. Hydrogen is used to make the compounds methyl alcohol, hydrogen peroxide, and ammonia. Methyl alcohol is used in inks, varnishes, and paints, but it can also be used as fuels. Hydrogen peroxide is used for medication, mostly. It is a disinfectant for small wounds and cuts and found mostly in all first aid kits. It is also used as pest control and bleaching clothing. Ammonia is a compound with nitrogen and hydrogen and is used for a fertilizer for crops and other plants. Now let's talk about the isotopes of hydrogen. Hydrogen has three naturally occurring isotopes. Protium with an abundance of 99.98%, deuterium with an abundance of 0.0156%, and tritium with an abundance of 0.0044%. Protium has 1 proton and 0 neutrons. Deuterium has 1 proton and 1 neutron, and tritium has 1 proton and 2 neutrons. Deuterium is primarily used in heavy water. Heavy water is water that consists mostly of deuterium isotope of hydrogen instead of protium. Heavy water is used as a coolant in heavy water moderated fission reactors. Tritium is a radioactive isotope of hydrogen. It has a half-life of 12.32 years. A half-life is the amount of time for a substance to fall to half the amount of its initial value. meaning that in 12.32 years, a certain amount of tritium will be half of what it is, or what it was. Tritium is used to create small fluorescent lights used in watches, signs, and other various objects. This light is created by the electrons that tritium emits because it is decaying. Thank you very much for watching. I hope I was able to convince you that hydrogen is worth investing in for all of its various uses.